Hey everyone, how's it going? So today we will be going over the codePointAt method in Java. So what the codePointAt method is that it saves a number that corresponds to the letter in the string, and that number is actually an ASCII number. So an ASCII number, or American Standard Code for Information Interchange, is a number that is used to represent other numbers, letters, and symbols. So this is pretty much just like a charAt method, except instead of printing out a string, it actually prints out an ASCII number that corresponds with the letter, number, or symbol based on that string. So let's create a string called myString equals, and we say this is my str, and let's have like a one string and a period. Let's say we want so now what we do next is we create an int variable, and let's call it ASCII equals my string dot, and then codePointAt. See, it's the first one right there. Point at, and let's have it show us what the letter T is, and of course we entered 0 because 0 is the first letter, the capital T. So if we were to see what this printed out, let's print out ASCII, we would get 84. And let's see, what would a space be? So since we started 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4, enter 4. We get the ASCII number of 32, and so on and so forth throughout this whole string. And if we were to go enter a value that it's more than what the string is, so let's say we enter like 50, we will get an error since the length is only 18 in this string, as said right here, and not 50.